everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are fine and doing great and everything is great with you guys. Today we are learning about how we can reset our WordPress website. So for example, if we are trying to import dummy content from a ready-made theme and we mistakenly imported the wrong one, because normally themes have multiple dummy contents in different industries. So for example, you are a lawyer and that theme have multiple lawyer theme variations. So we have misimported the wrong one. We can undo it by using a plugin called WP Reset. So I'm gonna show you guys how we can do that. Before we proceed to the tutorial, please subscribe my channel, comment on the video below so I know you see the video and you are looking forward to for me to create more content for you guys. Okay, so let's proceed. So that's the website which I created from a last tutorial, where we added a social media login. You can see on my WordPress playlist about that tutorial. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna reset this website so we can start from the scratch again. Let's go to the dashboard. Click add new plugin. Search for WP Reset. And that's the plugin which we'll be using to reset the website. Installing the plugin now. Let's activate the plugin. Now we'll go to the plugin settings. Open WP Reset tools. Here we have multiple options. If we are not looking to deactivate the current theme, we can do that. And we can also deactivate all the plugins. This checkbox states that it will let the WP Reset plugin active and it will deactivate all other plugins. That's another option where we can active all of the current plugins which are currently active. So it depends on your priority of what you're looking to do. So let's try reset for now. I'm gonna type here reset and click reset site. Click reset WordPress again. It's gonna take a while. And here we go. Now if we refresh here, okay, we'll have to install 2020 theme because it's reverting to the default state of the WordPress. We can do this from here. Okay, we should be good to go now. And here we go. Our website is reverted to the default state. So when it looks like we have a clean installation of WordPress, we can start from the scratch again. Now let's try importing the dummy content of the theme, which I did last time. Let's try doing that again. So I'm going to activate the theme again. And as you can see, it has site library. So it's asking me to install and activate the plugins which theme required, which I'm gonna do now. Okay, once the plugins are installed, our theme have all these options for the ready-made layouts which we can easily import. Last time which I was using was this one. So if we need to switch our theme, we'll have to reset our WordPress and reinstall the dummy content again. We have already reset our WordPress website. Now we're gonna install the free version of theme again, the dummy content again. Let's do this one. Okay, let's visit the website now. Here we go. Our dummy content is successfully imported now. So we couldn't import it because we had the old dummy content already. To import this version, we had to reset the website. That's why we used that plugin and reset the website. I hope you guys liked the video. Please hit the thumbs up icon and comment on the video below to let me know if you need anything, if you need to learn anything in WordPress. Have a great day. Thank you.